Looking for how to buy shares of Cenovus Energy Inc. Cenovus is an integrated oil and gas company with major operations in Canada and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CVE. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. You will need a broker to buy shares. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will typically have to verify your account with a government ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type in the ticker CVE to find the listing. Make sure you select the Cenovus Energy Inc. share that shows the NASDAQ exchange. On the Cenovus asset page, you can review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next open session, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before finalizing. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is filled. For the example linked to eToro, check the video description below.